Frequently I'm asked about the differences between two verbs, купить and покупать. They're both translated as to buy. But покупать – imperfective aspect, купить – perfective aspect. Покупать is an imperfective aspect, it means a process or your lifestyle. Например, present tense. Я всегда покупаю это. Сейчас я покупаю фрукты. Past tense. If it's a repeated action in the past, many times. Я всегда покупал этот хлеб. Repeated action in future. Я буду покупать этот хлеб каждый день. Купить is a perfective aspect, and it doesn't have a present tense, and we can use it for past tense, if we did it only once. Вчера я купил хлеб. Future tense, if we are going to do it only once. Завтра я куплю хлеб. It's not a repeated action, I'm going to make it just once. And one more, the situations when you need to use an infinitive as a second verb, for example. Я хочу купить. You can use either of the aspects depending on what you are focusing on.